Welcome back to Good Morning Boss. Naku mga boss, kayo ba'y mahilig kumain at talagang ayaw niyong mabitin? Naku, ito ang alamin perfect na perfect sa inyong next segment natin dahil talagang hindi kayo mabibitin sa laki ng portions ng kanilang pagkain. Alamin natin yan with Carla Paderna sa One Life.
Good morning! Alam nyo mga boss, matagal ko nang nadadaanan itong restaurant na to at talaga naman curious ako kung ano ba ang meron dahil marami talagang kumakain dito. Kaya naman napakasaya ko this morning dahil matitikman ko ang mga masasarap na pagkain dito sa The Porch by Casa Verde. I heard na Casa Verde has been running for 12 years sa Cebu. So what made you decide na dalhin yun dito sa Manila?
Actually, the owners itself decided na we bring it to Manila so we can bring the comfort foods here in Manila. Actually, 12 years of business in Cebu, I think it's enough time for us to invade Manila. And it's about time for us to share what we are serving in Cebu here in Manila as well.
Ano naman ba ang difference ng The Porch sa Casa Verde?
It's called an express. So you will order in the counter and then our friendly staff will serve it on your table. Our food is in high quality pero ang service is exquisite and also ang humi ng dating niya.
Napansin ko naman yung ambience. Alam mo, napaka-onti lang ng tables and chairs sa loob. And usually, para siyang alfresco dining. Mas maraming upuan and chairs and tables sa labas.
We took it from the name The Porch itself. Usually, sa States is alfresco nagda-dine ang mga crowd. You're eating an American dine with a Filipino price. One of the food that we're known for is this, the Brian's Ribs. It's a baked. Actually, the sauce itself is a tangy piquet, so it's sweet. And it's good for adults and kids as well. This is called the watermelon salad, made of vegetables and fruits only. Mozzarella fried cheese sticks, baked potato skins, and our spicy buffalo wings. So you will order this platter. It's like you will taste 3 appetizers in one plate.
Kanina, yung chef nyo ay nagluto kami ng seafood pasta. Ito na yung carbonara.
This is called the fisherman's platter. It's like the appetizer plate. You will have 3 seafoods in one plate. It consists of fish fillet, calamari, and the tavern shrimp.
Kapangalan ko, Carla Mary. And last but not the least, itong Mighty Ton. Ilang kilograms ba itong burger na asa harapan natin?
Actually, we're the only restaurant who's serving this huge burger. It's a 12-inch burger. Consists of 1 kilogram of pure tenderloin steak with cheeses and then bacons and sauteed mushrooms.
At ilang tao pa pwedeng makakain ito?
Usually, we are offering this for 6 to 8 persons.
May mga different flavors ba yung ice cream cake ninyo?
This one, we'll start off with this one. This is the Jaden's White Chocolate Chill Out. So it's vanilla ice cream with Oreos and almonds. And over here, we have the Death by Chocolate. It's actually our bestseller and what we're really known for. So it's Rocky Road and chocolate ice cream with the cookie crust and the chocolate topping. And over here, we have the Blisso Berry. So this is a homemade cheesecake.
Kaya kung kayo ay nakikrave ng American cuisine, pupunta na lang kayo dito sa The Porch by Casa Verde. Dito lang yan along Anonas Extension. At ito po ulit si Carla Paderna for One Life.